It's time to learn! Welcome to Haika Kids! Let's have fun!
The wheels on the balloon bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the balloon bus go round and round, all through the sky. The balloons on the bus go up, 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 up. The balloons on the bus go up, 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 flying so high. The colors on the bus go red, blue, green, red, blue, green, red, blue, green. The colors on the bus go red, blue, green, shining so bright. The kids on the bus go laugh, ha ha, ha ha ha, ha ha ha. The kids on the bus go laugh, ha ha, all day long. The driver on the bus says go, 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 go. The driver on the bus says go, 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 up in the sky.
That was fun! Like, share, and subscribe! Ring that bell! See you soon! Bye!